In a world overwhelmed by noise, conflict, and chaos, peace can feel like a distant dream. But what if we told you, peace doesn't begin on battlefields, it begins with you? Every kind word, every small act of compassion, every time you choose to listen rather than react. These choices ripple outward. They inspire, they comfort, they connect. You don't need a title or a platform to be a peacemaker. You just need the courage to care. Because peace isn't passive, it's a decision, a mindset, a habit. When we pause to breathe, when we check in with ourselves, when we reach across differences instead of building walls, that's when peace takes root. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Look around. See the beauty in diversity. Feel the stillness inside. This is where change begins. Because in a world desperate for healing, one peaceful act can light 1,000 others.
Peace starts with you.
Like, share, and subscribe to World Peace TV and be part of the movement.